Hey guys, press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update from Pinkvilla.
Hi guys, this is Lekha. I'm a celebrity makeup artist, and of late I've been getting a lot of queries on summer trends with respect to makeup. And personally, I associate summers with sun-kissed, and it's one of my favorite looks. And recently, I saw Alia Bhatt spot an amazingly beautiful sun-kissed look, and I would love to take inspiration from that look and see what best I can do on Riya based on her facial features to give her the perfect sun-kissed look. Let's get going. So I've already prepped Riya's face with a natural rose gold oil, which makes it look very hydrated and which gives out a natural glow to her skin. I've already covered her under eyes, as you can see. Although Riya has an amazing skin, a little bit of under eye coverage is needed. Now, since we are going to be demonstrating a sun-kissed look, for that I would need to warm up her skin tone a tad bit. So let's start with that. So I'm using a foundation shade which is slightly darker than her natural shade. Again, remember, don't take the foundation shade to be a lot darker than her skin tone. It should be just a tad bit darker than her actual skin tone. And while you're blending, make sure that you take the foundation and blend it right up to the hairline so that it does not look incomplete. So for this look, because sun-kissed is all about the glow and the sheen, I would avoid using a powder for her to set it, so that it looks more hydrated, it looks naturally glowing. So let's move to the eyes. I'm going to be using a lot of hues of gold, beige, copper. That's that earthly colors which is usually used for sun-kissed looks. Dusting off the excess eyeshadow so that there is no fallout. So to make sure that Riya does not look too washed out, I'm using a little bit of the brick brown color on her eyes to bring out her eyes. I'm going to be defining her eyebrows a bit more. Since the sun-kissed look does not have too much of colors on the face, we can go a little bit darker with the eyebrows. So to ensure that her eyes look bigger and brighter, I'm going to be using a soft sheen just at the inner corners of her eye. So this look is all about softness. So we would avoid using any kind of harsh lines like defined liners or defined kajal. We'll keep it more on the blended space and more softer. Especially for Riya, I would prefer to use a little bit of shadow under her eyes along her lash line so that her eyes don't look blank. So we curl the lashes now. Loading up the lashes with a lot of mascara.
Question. So usually when I come back like from a vacation, so there's always a tan. So while applying foundation, would I look grey?
Well, Riya, when you come back from a vacation, you're any which way tanned. So that is not your natural skin color. So the foundation which you use on a regular basis is for your natural skin color. So if you try to use that foundation on your tan skin, obviously you'll look grey. So the best thing is to do is that always buy two shades of foundation, one for your regular wear, which is your natural skin tone, and one foundation which you can keep when you are tanned. So that would obviously be a tad shade darker than your actual skin tone. So I'm going to be using a little bit of powder to contour her face, and as we all know, the sun-kissed is all about shine, sheen and glow, so let's achieve that. Suck your cheeks in.
What is the one makeup advice that you would give us? Like,
According to me, the most important makeup advice which everybody should keep in mind is don't overplay all your features of the face. So, if you're going with a heavy eye, if you're going with a dark eye makeup, underplay your lips. And if you're going with a pop lip color, underplay your eyes. It always looks nicer. So now we'll be working on the sheen to bring out the glow. This is one look where you can generously use all your highlighters and let it play. So we're going to start highlighting the face just above your jawline where you've done your contouring, on the T-zone, because that's where the light reflects and that's where the highlighting works the best. So we've done the highlighting to bring about enough glow on her face. So let's start with the lips now. So we'll try and keep the lips on a nude space because a bright pink or a coral doesn't really go great with the sun-kissed look. Guys, so this is my version of a sun-kissed look for you. It's a bit of a tanned as well as a gorgeous look, and if you guys are okay with experimenting, this is the look that you should go for. If you really like this video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to Pinkvilla, and of course, please follow me at Makeup by Lekha.